To set up second space on the Redmi Note 14s, let me quickly show you how you can do this. So first of all, you will have to go into the settings, and from here scroll all the way down and go into the additional settings. From here you have to scroll down again and you will find the second space. So simply go in there and press this switch to turn on the second space. From now we have to wait for the second space to create, and we will also have to wait after the creation is complete. We will have to wait to switch, for the switch to second space. So the second space is like something like two home screens or like two different phones, two spaces on one device. I will just quickly show you how it works just in a moment. So now that the second space is created, now we have to set it up. So let's press continue, and here we will set up the switch between spaces, and you can switch using a password or using a shortcut. And I will show you the one by using a shortcut, since it's pretty nice, like it's more cooler in my personal opinion. Let's press continue and set it up real quick. So now we will have to draw our pattern, and let's set this pattern like this, for example. Oh no, first of all we need to draw our pattern on the regular which we use to unlock our phone. So I have to insert this one, and now we have to set pattern for the second space. So let's set this one, and alright, confirm. And now we can additionally set a second fingerprint to switch between the second space and regular space faster. So let's quickly set it up, and let's draw this pattern. Alright, and let's scan the second fingerprint real quick. And alright, some more setting up, some more safety. Alright, and now we will add this fingerprint right here. Since this fingerprint sensor on this phone is pretty fast and accurate, it will take you around 15 seconds to set up the new fingerprint on for the second space. But it's kind of alright, so we have it done. Let's press done, and we have the second fingerprint. Fingerprint has been set up successfully. Press continue, and that will be all about the setup of the second space. So we have this completely new, completely different space in our phone, and we can switch between spaces, like from the second space to the regular space with this switch right here. Or we can also lock the phone, and as you lock up the phone, we will be able to go into the regular space by unlocking our phone with the first fingerprint or with this regular pattern. So let me quickly show you. Now this second space will switch up, and as you can see we are in this first space. And now let's quickly go into the second space using the for example the fingerprint. So this is my regular fingerprint, as you can see, and now I will unlock this phone with this second fingerprint, and this will switch to the second space. So this is really cool. I'm really excited when I do this every time. Very nice thing right here. So that is basically how you can do this. That's how you can create and set up the second space on the Redmi Note 14s.